Welcome to our British Airways Business Class review. Before we head into the review, how about subscribing to the channel where you can find lots of entertaining content? So, let's get into it. Tonight we're flying on a Boeing 777-300 in business class with a 121 seat configuration. There is a slight defect, but more about that later. So we are finally off on the way back to London. Yay, we had a minor technical issue on the plane, but we're on our way. It was so hot in the terminal, I think I was going to pass out. Right, so let's go on our flight back to London. Woo. Before we settle in, I just wanted to have a quick sneak peek in premium economy. Not too bad, but business is calling. The Club Suite is a fully enclosed seat which transforms into a fully lie-flat comfortable bed. Great if you want to get those Z's. The suite has a small storage cupboard that contains a bottle of water to keep you hydrated and an amenity kit and a mirror just to check out those eye bags. On the side of the seat, you'll find the control panel that will adjust the seat, allowing the seat to go into fully lie-flat mode. There's a handy reading light, and you'll also notice that the seatbelt is more of a harness that is needed for takeoff and landing. Otherwise, only the lower belt needs to be used during the flight. The in-flight entertainment screen is 18.5 inches. It's a high-resolution touchscreen display offering a wide selection of movies, TV shows, music and games. Under the entertainment system, there is plenty of space so you can rest your tired feet. You'll find more storage space down by your feet. Directly under the entertainment system, a fold-out tray is used for meal services. In the footwell, there is a bag that contains all your bedding from the White Company for passenger use during the flight. Within the armrest, you'll find even more storage space. There's a deep bin to store items here, and this is where you'll find a UK plug socket and some USB ports to charge your devices. You'll also find the remote control for the entertainment system, good for when you want to lie in that lie flat position. To the left there is another shallower storage compartment. It isn't really that deep, but you could store some flatter items in there. British Airways also provides some headphones. They're not too bad, but I have used better on some other airlines. In the middle seats, there's a sliding window when you want your privacy, or it can be open to chat with a co-passenger. The opposite side of the suite has a sliding door to enclose the space, but can only be used after takeoff and landing. Before takeoff, a glass of champagne is on offer. However, there is other beverages available, like juice, if you don't want alcohol. Now to check out the menu. British Airways provides a range of alcoholic beverages such as wines, beers and spirits, along with some non-alcoholic choices, even mocktails. As this was a night flight, there were 2 meal services, dinner and breakfast before landing. There was a really good selection of starters, mains and desserts. I started with the corn chowder, followed by the Cajun chicken, and because I wanted some sleep, I decided to skip the dessert. Before long, I wanted to get some sleep, so I put my seat in the lie flat position, snuggled into the White Company bedding
and had a few hours of Z's before a cookie and coffee for breakfast. Now for that defect. I noticed a deep scratch on the storage space with the mirror and the amenity kit. Here, and then on all the other suites. Here, here, and here. This is due to a small design fault where the smaller seat rest storage compartment, when opened, gets stuck on the other storage space door. Maybe a small defect, but it has marked all the suites.
Thanks for watching. If you really enjoyed this video, make sure you like it, subscribe to our channel. There is plenty of content. If you want to see more business class reviews, we went in Qatar Q Suite and we've got a review on that here and also in United Polaris. So until next time.